Good morning, students. Yesterday I have given you the test. Now we will discuss the answer key of that test. Student, your test is this. This is your test. In this question, there are total 10 questions which are objective type, and total duration of the test was 20 minutes and maximum marks for that are 10. Now let us discuss their solution. Here first question is 3000 divided by 30. We have to pick the answer of this. Inside we will just solve 3000 and divide by 30. So we will solve it. So 30 1 30. We got remainder 0. Now take it as 0. Now 30 0 is a 0. Again we got 0. Take next 0. Here 30 0 is a 0. So how much quotient we get? We get quotient as 100. So we have to give the answer only in options. So answer of first one will be 100. And your option will be B. So this is answer number 1. Now come to the second question. In question 2 you have given 2970 divided by 9. So what you will do? Again you have to multiply it. It is 2970. You have to multiply it by 9. Just get the answer of this. 9 0 ja 0. 9 7 ja 63. So 6 carry. 9 9 ja 81. 81 plus 6 87. So 8 carry. Now 9 2 ja 18. 18 plus 8 it will be 26. So what will be your answer? It is 26,730. So your option will be A. Now just repeat. Go to the next answer. Answer number 3. In this question you have given when a number is multiplied by dash, the product is the number itself. Student, you know it very well. If a number divided by or multiplied by 1, then and only then the product will be the number itself. So answer of this will be 1 and option will be C. Now come to the answer number 4. Student, in this question you have given when 0 is divided by any number, the quotient is. You know it very well that if 0 is divided by any number, the quotient will always be 0. So answer of this question will be 0 and option will be, it will be B. Now come to the answer number 5. Here in question 5 you have given that quotient multiplied divisor plus remainder is equal to dash. Stand these questions you did in the exercise of division, and you have verified the division by this formula. So this formula is quotient multiplied divisor plus remainder is always equal to the dividend. So your answer will be dividend and option will be A. This is answer number 5. Now come to the next answer. Answer number 6. So in this question 6, first you see you have given that in Damas rule, DMAS, in Damas rule M stands for, we know that in Damas rule D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So here we have to give the answer for M. So M stands for what? It stands for multiplication. So your answer will be multiplication. And your option will be, it will be C. This is the option for that. Now come to the next answer. Answer number 7. Student, in here question we have sum of given numbers upon total count of numbers is equal to dash. You have applied this formula in last third exercise and you have studied that sum of all numbers by total count of numbers is always equal to the average. So your option will be, answer will be average. Answer of question 7 will be average. And with this option is B. Now come to the next answer, answer number 8. Here in this question you have given the average of first 5 natural numbers that you have to find out. To extend this question you have to solve it. So first of all inside you will solve, you have to write first 5 natural number. So what are first 5 natural number? They are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here you have to find the average of these 5 natural numbers. So as you have studied the formula of average, what is the formula of average? It is sum of all numbers by total numbers. This is the formula for that. So here you have to find the mean or average of first 5 natural numbers. So what are they? It is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 by total number. Total number are how many? They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total numbers are 5. So here sum of all these numbers, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 1 it is 15 and divide by 5. So when you divide 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15. So your answer will be 3 and option will be, here option will be D. So this is your answer. Now come to the next question, answer number 9. Just read the statement of this question. Here you have given 513 multiplied by 100. 513 multiplied by 100. Stand, you know the general rule for that. If any number is multiplied by 10, then what will be the product? The product will be the number as it is plus we add plus extra. What we have to do? We have to write 1 0 add in the last. Then that will be the product with the multiplication of 10. Here we have to multiply this number by 100. In 100 there are 2 0. So what will be the product? Here the number as it is 513 and in the last we will put 2 zeros. If we have to multiply the same number by 1000, then in 1000 there will be 3 zeros and what will be the product? Product will be 513 and in the last we put 3 zeros. But here we have to multiply by 100, so our answer will be 51300. And how much it is? It is 51,030. And our option will be here. It will be 51,300. It will be B. Option will be B. Now come to the last question. In this question you have given that 63,295 is divided by 1000. Stand, again there is a general rule. If a number is multiplied by 10, divided by 10, then the last digit will be the quotient and remaining digit will be the remainder and remaining digit will be the quotient. Here we have to divide this number by 1000. It means last 3 digit, these 3 will be the remainder and remaining number, this is your quotient. So your quotient will be what? It will be 63 and remainder will be what? 295. So option will be, it will be B. Option will be. So this is your answer key for the test. And student, you have to revise all these questions again, find out your mistakes and do them again. So this is for the day. Thank you.